point number 2 is design a plan or look for one. So in my case, for example, if you want to be an independent artist, you can look for plans online. You can look for something that I used to do is to study independent artists, or even the artists that have a contract with the labels. And so I followed their steps, and I was interested in also how did they get where they are right now. So even if there is no plan that is established, or nobody's sharing their experience, you can at least go and study the people who are doing what you want to do, because you're gonna notice that, you're gonna see some patterns. They started by doing this, and then they did that, and then they ended up here, and now I see that they are doing this. So you can design a plan based on that. So either you have a plan online or somewhere else that is available by some people who are doing the things you want to do, or you can look for the clues online or somewhere else. But yeah, you're gonna find a path, and you're gonna see that many people who are doing this, they have been through those steps, and so that's how you can get a plan.